Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Nasdaq price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. This is the intraday video for the 1 hour chart and 15-minute chart. Of course, potentially to see what's going on inside Nasdaq, what we might have also in the next few hours. So as you can see, as predicted as well before, we have those two scenarios. We said we're gonna see bearish in both case scenarios. Whether we have a longer correction here for a wave Y, we might drop down still, or we might drop down directly after this short WXY. However, I didn't like this one because, of course, it looks here choppy, unfinished. And, of course, because of this wick, it has, of course, give us a signal that this is a longer correction. And, of course, unfolding a longer structure. Now, what we can call this, of course, 3 waves up potentially, 3 waves down. We're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 towards the upside potentially here. We have start anyway inside it. Let's check on the 15-minute chart here. As you can see on the 15-minute chart, we have kind of like impulsive wave, I would say, but the problem is that your wave 4 is, of course, interfering. If you want to call this a leading diagonal, it's not also suitable for a wave 3 longer than wave 1. And of course, this thing here that is going on is something very, very special, but it is corrective at the end. Meaning, if we are also in 1, 2, 1, 2, this has also reduced the possibilities, this overlapping here, meaning nothing is impulsive, but it's a rally. It is, of course, a wave Y. Don't forget, a wave Y has to finish in 3 wave and not in an impulse. Therefore, what I think we are looking at here is, of course, is a flat or a zigzag. It can be even an impulse zigzag somehow like this, but this is only one structure of your wave Y. Meaning, meaning your wave Y might be a zigzag somehow like this or a flat. We still need, of course, one more move toward the upside. And that's why, of course, we still see some green. I already mentioned that today is going to be a green day for most of the stocks. But, of course, it is a still in a correction here. And, of course, this situation here, it tells us nothing is yet impulsive. We are still in a correction, but this correction is going to be a very, very high rally. Potentially, we take the high, right? Potentially, we take this high, and maybe we move toward the downside, of course, once we take the high. Now, as you remember as well, the 20K is a key level potential of bullish scenario. Why? Because if we are in a move towards the downside here as 1, 2, we have a big 1, 2 here, and we're looking again 1, 2, 3, 4 invalidated already, therefore shifting to 1, 2, and then 1, 2. So as we said, the 20K touching the wave 1, the previous wave 1 here, is a signal of slowing down the momentum towards the downside. That is really good signal first. Second, it's gonna be very, very close to the 886. Potentially even it will take the 886. Let's measure this to be much more precise and accurate. Okay, so 886 from wave 1. Okay, close to it. 20K 100, close to it. So a little bit higher even, I would say 20, guys. 20, 100, this will be perfect. Let's put it on the 886 directly even. Here we go. This is a 100% confirmation that we are not impulsive in 1, 2 anymore, because the 886 is not allowed to be a wave 2 in an impulse. It can be anything else as ABC, but not an impulse, meaning you will not continue the trend toward the downside. So these are the scenarios. Basically, right now we are still in a correction, guys. You cannot say that we are bullish unless we hit the 20K again, 20K 100. So those are the insights for the Nasdaq. I believe we still need one more structure to finish, of course, at WXNY. 3 waves up, 3 waves down, 3 waves up again. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.